Hello, I believe we all doing great, with our classes, with our studies. I say good morning to you all, your families, your hustle, and everything you do. I want to believe that we are all taking this classes serious and doing the needful to make sure that we become pro crypto or currency investors or earners. And by now, I believe with the terminologies we have already thought so far, you should be feeling like a pro crypto investor or a trader, a professional. Knowing the terminologies used in crypto will give you a very deep knowledge and of how the thing works. You agree with me that based on what we've studied so far, that there is nothing so difficult in crypto. It is very, very easy. Crypto is just like the normal day-to-day currency we spend. Today you won't tell me that you're going to learn the terminologies used in Naira, whatsoever currency you use in your country. And that's just the way cryptocurrency are. And when you get involved, you will be used you will be used to it, and before you know it, you have become a great, very great crypto analyst. Yeah. So let's move further, and we're going to be completing the terminologies, and then take a step further to learning how to invest and how to know a very good cryptocurrency with great potentials of making impact and rising in the near future. Or what people do is to go make a deep research on cryptocurrency, buy new cryptos. Cryptos they believe in the near future, sooner or later, will boost in value and get them rich. Yes, it'll get you rich. And before we commence for today's classes, I would just like to educate you. Some questions I've been getting these days. Some common questions from cryptocurrency enthusiasts. I get to be surprised that so many people are not even aware that you can buy cryptocurrency, even Bitcoin, with as little as 1,000 naira. There is 1,000 naira worth of Bitcoin. Please be informed. That is when people hear crypto, they believe, it is just the big boys or whatsoever, millionaires or billionaires are into this. No, everybody can afford crypto. It's just like you going to market and say, give me 500 naira cow meat. You're not buying the whole cow. You are just buying the pieces of the cow. So it's just the same thing with cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin now, worth almost 30 million naira. You can go and say, give me Bitcoin of 5,000 naira, 1,000 naira worth of Bitcoin, and you keep. That is all about crypto investment. And believe me, there are good cryptocurrencies that are coming up now with very, very high potentials of growing high in value, that you can buy just 1,000 naira worth of that crypto. You will get 10,000s of that crypto. Just imagine you buy just 5,000 naira worth of a cryptocurrency, and you've been given 20,000 of that crypto, and in 1 year or 5 months or 6 months or 1 month, and that crypto shoot in value with the equivalent of that very crypto to $1. You bought 5,000 naira worth of that very crypto, and in few months it rises in value to $1. Let's assume You buy 5,000 naira worth of crypto and you're being given 10,000 of that tokens. And in 1 or 2, 3, 4, 1 year time, that cryptocurrency rises in value to $1. So it means that you use 5,000 naira to buy $10,000 worth of crypto. You see how the investment in crypto works? That's how it works. So stop getting yourself confused. Sorry, I'm digressing. We are still going to talk more about this very soon. We're soon going to be talking more and more and more about this. Today, we are going to start after completing these terminologies. I'm going to introduce you on how to spot potential crypto, even though very soon I'm going to be dropping crypto, telling you crypto with high possibilities of making great impact in the market, of the possibility of going high in value. Very soon I'll be letting you dishing out this crypto. Meanwhile, I will help you so you can have the knowledge to research that yourself, to be able to dictate a very good cryptocurrency before it even becomes public. This is what most of these rich men do. This is what most of these crypto investors do. They research on these cryptos to enable them know crypto that have high potentials, high capabilities of becoming high in value in the near future. You get it? It's like I'm beginning to digress, but it amazes me that people don't know that you can become rich overnight. You don't need to go into rituals. You don't need to go into Yahoo. You don't need to go into scamming to become rich with crypto. Believe me, you can buy crypto worth of 10,000 naira now, and tomorrow it pumps to thousands. Tomorrow, it's very possible. Crypto is highly volatile. And mind you, there is also the risk aspect of it. There's also this risk aspect of it. The risk aspect of it is that it can also fall in value, depreciate in value. In as much as it's high the possibility of going high, it also have the capacity, possibility of dropping in value to zero. That is why you need to make good research and know what good cryptos are. I'm going to be telling you much more about that soon. We're going to start that soon after completing these terminologies. So for students, because I can see that in this group we have a lot of stuff. So I'm taking this time to educate you. It's very important. It's very important. It's very, very important. For students, I can see we have a lot of students in this group. So for students who are still schooling, or not just for students, for those who are wise, instead of saving in your bank, take the risks. See, there is nothing that is risk-free. Going into scam have its own risks. Going into ritual have its own risks. But some risks are minimal, just like the risks in these businesses we do. Instead of saving your money in the bank, why not keep on buying crypto and save? Buy crypto, save. Make your wallet your bank. With this crypto knowledge, you become a bank of your own. Bank don't add any value to your money. They use your money trade. Even in this crypto, they use your money to purchase cryptos and keep. They use your money to do forex trading. They use your money. That is what they make a whole lot chunk of money and give. They don't even give you a dime from it, except people that save a whole lot in billions or millions that have a very little fraction of the profits they make with your money. They still charge you service, debt servicing, cards, maintenance fee, a bank whatsoever fee, unnecessary fees. And that's why the central bank is banning most of these fees, because it's fraudulent. They make a whole lot of money with your money, still charge you, and not even give you a fraction from the profits they make. They keep on getting fat by the day. Why not be wise? Be wise now. I know I myself have made a whole lot of mistakes last year. Believe me, I was just so carried away with my job. I was working for a US-based company. As the only Nigerian, I was working for this US-based company, and I was making some good money. I was carried away because I was so busy. I was supposed to buy. That is a crypto I was supposed to buy. Then it was just like $1, not even up to $1. But now it shoots to almost $20 to that coin. Now my job stopped December 14th, and I'm not having money on me now to invest much on crypto. I've learned lesson, and I'm trying to fix this error that I've made. So we're still going to talk about this. For those who don't have money to even invest in this cryptocurrency, don't get discouraged. Let me tell you something. I know the processes I've been through. I know the money I've spent to get all this knowledge. I know the time I've invested. I know the stress I've been through. Yet I'm giving you this. The mistake you're going to do is to take these classes for granted because it's been given free. The black man, that's why a white man, see, I've worked, I'm still having so many of these. My friends in this group will testify. I have many of these white men as my clients, as friends, as business partners. I have many of them, many of them. They trust me. We do business together. So they never give you anything for free. They hate giving people something for free. Each time I want to dish out some things for free, I feel discouraged because people misuse free opportunities. People don't value things given to them for free. We black people tend to believe that, yes, we know because we are so corrupt. We know because of the corruption going out, nobody thinks, yeah, I've told you right from the inception, despite the fact that I've spent a lot to investment on this knowledge that I'm sharing with you for free, it's not still free to some extent. Let me be frank and sincere with you. It's free because I'm not collecting money from you, but there is still some value I'm still going to get from you. But I'm unlike those that will charge you. Let me tell you, I told you that oh God, I don't even know much. See, let me tell you one thing. So many people will charge you heavy money. Go and see. If you're following Reno Mokli, you will see, following Deji, you will see how they are advertising people that teach crypto for a whole lot of money. The least they receive to give you, not even up to this knowledge that I'm taking my time to give you. Some charges 50,000, 30, depending. Aside, they will still build a community where they still sell you stuff. But I'm not like that. I'm building a community of like-minded people so that when opportunity falls, the only value I'm going to be getting from you is not even, this is absolutely free, because the value I'm going to be giving you to boost me will also boost you as well. I'm selling you information that will help you, not selling, giving you information for free that will help you. Even though you subscribing to that information will lift me. I don't know if you get it. It is free, but not absolutely free, because I need you. I need you, and you need me more. The truth is, you need me more than I need you. You need me more than I need you. You'll be getting over 90% from me. Probably in the near future, I might be selling some things to you in this group. Probably. So what am I saying? Don't take these classes for granted. I've almost deviated, from the whole stuff. But let's skip this, because that's why I love Telegram. People coming later will still come and feed on this video and learn a whole lot from it. So don't take this group for granted. And please, I'm not going to chat you privately to request for any payment. Anyone that is chatting you privately, this is a disclaimer and a warning for you to learn and to be aware of scammers, because the link to this group has already gone out, and so many people in the near future might come and join this group. So we are people that are coming to chat you privately, requesting that you make payments or you invest in one or two whatsoever through them or pay them some money. They are scam. Don't respond to them. If there is anything that I want to publicize or publish, I'm going to publish it in a general group on a general note. So please be aware. Be aware. So what am I saying? I'm saying in students and non-students alike, if you have 3,000, 1,000, 5,000, buy some crypto and keep. Later you have, buy more and keep. You have 2,000, still keep adding. Let that be your asusu, as we call it in Hausa. Your safe. Let that be your safe. Believe me, in a few months or 1 year, you, that student, you're not going to graduate and be looking for somewhere to fall onto. You're not going to be depending on a white-collar job. You're not going to be relying on your NYSC allowance. You're not going to be waiting for someone to employ you for a job. If you do this, I assure you, I promise you this. If you do this for 1 year, today you get 2,000, buy some people to keep. Tomorrow you get 5,000, you buy keep 3,000, buy keep 10,000, buy, keep on accumulating these cryptos for 6 months, 1 year. You will be hell surprised of whom you're going to be in 1, 2, 3 years before you graduate. You're going to be surprised of whom you're going to be. Believe me. This is the smart way. Crypto is one of the smartest way to earn passively. It's one of the smartest way to earn passive income. You just buy, keep, just like those people that buy grains and they keep, and when it shoots, they sell. You know, crypto will give you 100 times more. Buy, keep on buying and keeping. Understand? Be averaging. When the price drops, just time. Whenever the tribes go high, drops, you buy. Whenever it goes high and drop, buy. That is the concept. Whenever it goes high and drop, buy. Because crypto barely, now the people are shouting, crypto is falling, crypto. This is the opportunity to buy. Buy the dip. When you hear crypto investors say buy the dip, it means buy when it falls. Keep on buying as it falling. Buy at its fall. It's still going to rise again. What goes down must surely goes up. Reverse is the case. Not what goes up must come down. Yes, as crypto goes up, it comes down. As it comes down, it's definitely going to go up again. So buy when it comes down. When it goes up, it will definitely come down. So buy when it comes down. I'm going to teach you. We're going to learn charts. You will learn when to buy and how to buy. You're going to learn. I'm going to teach you all these things. I'm going to give you knowledge for free that is worth thousands, hundreds of thousands. I'm telling you this. So if you love your friends and family, I'm still giving you this privilege. See, please don't just add up random people to this group. Only add people you love, people you feel that needs to learn from this, people you feel that you want to bless them with this opportunity, just like I'm blessing you too, so that we can build this community together, the community of like minds, people in love with crypto and forex. See, so many things you're going to learn. So many things you're going to learn. So add as many. Don't let this pull me down syndrome be linked to you. Help others. Help others too. As I'm giving you, see, introduce others. There are so many people in your contact, people from your friend list that will love to benefit from this. Add them up. Your brothers, sisters, friends, relatives, add them up. Not just some random people that would not value this group and become hackers, scammers in this group. Please. So back to words we should be learning for today. Let me post this video and start afresh, our terminologies afresh, so that the video is not going to be lengthy and heavy. Back soon.